blissful morning to my lovely battalions. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. This is your science class and I am your science teacher. Dear kids, as you know, we have completed chapter 3 plants with its book exercise and question answers. So today this is the time to have some fun, and for that I have brought an art integrated learning activity for you. What this activity means? It means we will learn many new things through art and in a new manner. So dear kids, please take out all the required material which was informed you to arrange for the activity, and let's get ready for the fun and to learn new things in a new manner. So come, let's begin the class. Dear kids, let's begin our art integrated learning in science. First of all, beta, we will make these columns. First is serial number, next is part of the plant, next is picture. Picture means picture of part of the plant. Next, examples. What are the examples we are going to show of parts of the plant? And then pictures of examples. We will show here pictures of examples. So please make these columns on your sheet. Write down the heading Science Chapter 3 Plants, and what we are going to do, Art Integrated Learning, and then make these columns. Now beta, write down one in serial number, as we are going to write down first part of the plant. We will start from the down, from the part which is the lowest. So which is the lowest part of the plant? Yes, correct. It is root. So we will write root here. We have written roots here. Now beta, if you have picture of root, then you can paste it. If you don't have, then you can draw it. You are having both the options. Either you can paste the picture or you can draw the picture. See kids, I have drawn here roots. In this manner, either you can draw, or if you are having the picture, you can paste. Now tell me, what are the examples of roots that we eat? Roots that we eat. Tell me the examples. Yes, correct. The examples are radish and carrot. So we will write here. Yes beta, we have written here radish and carrot. Now moving on to the next column. Here we need, again beta, we can paste the pictures or we can draw the pictures. Pictures of examples means here we need to paste pictures of radish and carrot. If you are not having the pictures, you can draw the pictures. See dear kids, here I have pasted picture of radish and carrot. In this manner you can paste the picture, or if you are not having picture, you can draw the picture. So now we will move towards our next part. Yes. After roots, which is the next part? Tell me everyone. Yes, it is stem. So we will write here stem. Yes beta, we will write down here stem, and then we can draw the image of stem. If you are having picture, you can paste the picture or you can draw. Now yes, tell me the two examples of stem. Tell me what are the two examples of stem. Any example you can take beta. This is not compulsory that you need to take the given examples. You can take any examples as per your wish. So tell me two examples of stem. Yes, they can be potato and ginger. So here we will write in examples potato and ginger. See dear kids, here I have written potato and ginger. Now moving on to the next column. The next column is of pictures of examples. So we need to paste pictures here. Again, if you are having picture, you can paste it, or if you are not having, you can draw. So here we will paste pictures of potato and ginger. See beta, like this we can paste pictures of potato and ginger. Yes, now moving on to the next part. Next part is, yes, leaf. So here we will write down leaf. See beta, here I have written leaf and here I have drawn the picture of two leaves. So in the picture column you need to draw the picture of the part of the plant, or if you are having the picture so you can paste it. Now beta, tell me two examples of leaves. Tell me two examples of leaves that we eat. Tell me. Yes, cabbage. Yes, beta, yes. One is cabbage and another one is fenugreek. So, we eat these two leaves of the plant, cabbage and fenugreek. So, in the examples column, we will write cabbage and fenugreek. Yes, beta, here I have written cabbage and fenugreek. Now here we need to paste the pictures of examples of parts of the plant. So we will paste here picture of cabbage and fenugreek. See beta, here I have pasted pictures of cabbage and fenugreek. Now guess for which part of plant we are moving next. Okay, I'll give you some hints. Yes, it is the sweetest part of the plant. Now tell me, yes, your guess is correct. It is fruit. We are moving to the fourth part of the plant, which is fruit. And here we will write fruits. See beta, here I have written fruits and here I have drawn the picture of fruit. Now yes, tell me two examples. Tell me two examples of fruits. Any two? Yes, it can be apple, it can be orange, mango, anyone. Whatever you want to eat, whatever you like to eat, you can write here. So, I am writing here apple and orange. See beta, here I have written apple and orange. Now again here we will paste the pictures of apple and orange. Yes, see beta, here I have pasted the pictures of apple and orange. If you are not having the picture, you can draw yourself. Kids, tell me about the next part of the plant. Tell me any guesses about which part we are moving. Okay, I'll give you some hints. It is the most colorful part of the plant. Yes, you all are correct. I am talking about flowers. So, we will write next part of the plant, flowers. See kids, here I have written flowers and here I have drawn a picture of flower. You can draw a picture or you can paste a picture. Now, we will write two examples of flowers. Tell me any two examples of flowers which you like the most? Yes, beta, you can write any examples as per your wish. I am writing rose and jasmine as they are my favorite flowers. Dear kids, here I have written the name of the flowers, rose and jasmine. Now in next column, as you know, we need to paste the pictures of the example. So we will paste here pictures of rose and jasmine. Dear kids, here I have pasted picture of rose and jasmine. If you are not having picture, you can draw also. Okay beta. Now moving on to next part. Yes beta, now what is the next part we are moving on? Yes, next and the last part of the plant we are talking about is seed. So we are talking about seed and next at 6th number we will write seed. See beta, at sixth number I have written seeds and I have drawn seeds normally. Any seed you can take it now. Yes beta, tell me two examples of seeds that we eat. Yes. Tell me everyone. Yes beta, we can write peas and beans. So we will write peas and beans in the column of examples. See beta, in the column of examples I have written peas and beans. Now next column is of pictures of examples. So here we need to paste the pictures of examples. So we will paste here pictures of peas and beans. See dear kids, here I have pasted picture of peas and beans, and by pasting the picture of peas and beans we have completed our activity, our art integrated learning. I hope you all have enjoyed a lot and you all have learned something new in a new manner. Dear kids, today we have done art integrated learning of science of chapter 3 plants. So your homework is to complete the activity and take a click of it along with you. Hold the activity in your hand and ask someone to take your pic and forward it to me on my WhatsApp number. I'll wait for your pics. Take care beta. Be safe. Be happy at your home. Goodbye.